Right, as it's near Christmas, I thought I'd do a Secret Santa on myself. So I don't know who this is from, but it's mine anyway. So I'm going to open up my little present and I'll show you what I've got. Exciting, huh? Ah, it's one of them. Right, I've treated myself to a whip hose. If you see my previous couple of videos, you'll know I've got myself a new sprayer, just a replacement one. I've got the new little Ebauer one, little 600. And the thing is with these and any other sprayer that you get really, is that when you get the normal basic kit, you get the hose pipe and obviously the gun, but these hoses that you get with them, they're very stiff and they can sort of, I can feel it now, you know, you've got spring and that there. When you're trying to sort of get round door frames and you're trying to manoeuvre these things, they can pull a bit on your wrist and they don't want to bend. You feel like you're fighting them sometimes. So an option is to put a whip hose after that bit and before the gun. So it's only short, it's only, what is the length for this one? It's 1.2 meters. And this is just a lot of much more of a thinner hose and it's got a lot more give in it. So you can imagine if your normal hose is another 1.2 meters long, you've got a lot more flexibility with that. So that's all that is really. So I'm going to change that and that will make a lot of difference to the spraying. And this is a certified Graco one, who are probably the best making sprayers for the domestic market. I don't really know too much about commercial stuff. It's probably Graco as well. So it's a bona fide one from Amazon. I got that and I think that was about 20-25 quid just for that hose, but it will make a lot of difference to your spraying. You can really sort of twist it about a lot easier. So let's get this put on. Right, so there we go. I can already feel that's a lot easier now. So, yeah. So if you are in the market for one of these sprayers, or any sprayer really, my advice is just to spend that little bit extra and just get yourself a whip hose. I mean, you know, there's not a lot of resistance in that now. And after doing a fair bit of spraying, you will notice that on your wrist. You'll notice that sort of pull. So, yeah, just a quick video. Just showing you about the joys of a whip hose. Happy spraying, everyone.